Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you antenna system, antenna practicals in lab number 603. This is receiver side, which is connected. At the receiver side, parabolic reflector is connected. In that, one dipole antenna is connected. Similarly, at the transmitter side, I connected one Yagi-Uda antenna, which is having three elements. See these three elements. First is a reflector, second is ribbon, and remaining three elements. Okay. See at the bottom side of this transmitter, there is one bubble is set. Always set this bubble at center. Similarly, you can see this axial mode, which is having 0 to 360 degree circular pattern. So initially I am setting at 0 degree. Okay, then this is AMS kit, which is antenna measurement system kit. RF signal is connected to receiving side and RF detector is connected to the antenna side. Okay. Switch on the system. So after switching on, you can see this message, antenna measurement system, press menu key. So here see menu button, press this menu key. Then it asks either PC or panel mode. So for PC, menu button is there, then press enter. Now software control mode is selected. Now the system is ready. And distance between the transmitter and receiver we set initially it is 1 meter. Now open AMS software in search bar. So go to file, select control. After selecting control tab, ask either panel mode or PC mode. We are using PC, so select PC mode. Now select COM port, connect to COM3. Okay. Now in this first tab, it asks far field pattern. So initially we are setting far field pattern. Okay, the next is copolarization, cross polarization, gain directivity. So initially I am considering it is copolarization. Type of antenna, there are different types of antenna. I connected Yagi-Uda, so Yagi-Uda comes under wire category, so I am selecting wire. Name of the experiment, it is Yagi 5 element. Start. Ask the box like, do you want to start the experiment? Okay. So this transmitter side it is dipole, receiver side it is Yagi-Uda, then length it is these parameters, inbuilt parameters are there. Press OK. Now you can see this processing. So in this side you can see this antenna is now starts rotating. In clockwise direction. This antenna will rotate till it reaches to its initial position or 360 degree. Now say this started moving in anti-clockwise direction. Here we get this radiation pattern, copolarization of Yagi 5 element antenna. Right. Now you can save this file, then save image. Okay. Now next I am moving to cross polarization. Sorry. Again set this is Yagi 5 element, start. Okay. Okay. Started processing. Here antenna started rotating. When it completes 360-degree, then this rotation stops and it again moves to anti-clockwise direction. See, starts moving now in anti-clockwise direction. And here we get this cross polarization pattern. Okay, now there are different types of antennas here. First one, this is helical pattern. You can see the structure like helix. Okay. Then second one, it is loop. Here there are different types of loop available. One is circular, second is rectangle, and third one it is triangular. Now in our lab rectangular loop is available. This is array, broadside array. This one is collinear array. Next, this is dipole. This is monopole, and this is folded dipole. Okay, thank you.